Did you ever wonder how a grizzly bear, a creature weighing up to 800 pounds, can climb a tree effortlessly? Our world is full of wonders, and one of them is the incredible grizzly bear. This majestic beast, with its shimmering silver-tipped fur, is a sight to behold. Grizzlies, also known as North American brown bears, are awe-inspiring creatures, not just for their size but for their impressive physical attributes. Picture a creature that can stand up to 9 feet tall when reared up on its hind legs, and can weigh between 400 to 800 pounds. Despite this massive size, they possess the agility and strength to climb trees with the ease of a squirrel. This ability is a testament to their incredible power and adaptability. Today, we'll take you on a journey to discover more about these fascinating creatures. Buckle up as we delve into the world of the grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are not just any ordinary forest dwellers. These majestic creatures roam a variety of landscapes across North America. From the dense forests of Canada and Alaska to the mountain ranges of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, the grizzly bear's geographical range is as diverse as it is expansive. But why do grizzly bears prefer these locations, you may wonder? Well, it all boils down to their survival instincts and unique lifestyle. Grizzlies are solitary animals, and these vast, unspoiled territories provide them with the space they need to live and thrive. These areas are not just their homes, but also their dining rooms and playgrounds. Forests, with their dense vegetation, offer grizzlies plenty of cover. They serve as perfect hideouts and protective shelters for these bears and their cubs. The dense foliage and the tall trees make it easier for them to hide from potential threats and to hunt for their meals without being easily spotted. Mountainous regions, on the other hand, offer a different kind of advantage. Grizzlies are excellent climbers, and these steep terrains provide them with ample opportunities to showcase their climbing prowess. These areas are also rich in the variety of food sources that grizzlies love, from berries and roots to fish and small mammals. In addition to forests and mountains, grizzlies are also found near rivers and streams. These water bodies serve as their primary source of drinking water. More importantly, they are the hunting grounds for grizzlies during salmon spawning season, when these bears gather to feast on the abundant fish. Grizzly bears, being highly adaptable, have learned to survive and thrive in these diverse habitats. Their choice of habitat is a testament to their resilience, resourcefulness, and inherent survival instincts. So the next time you're in a dense forest or a mountainous region, you might just be in grizzly territory. What's on the menu for a grizzly bear, you might ask? Well, let's dive right into the culinary world of these fascinating creatures. Grizzly bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and meat. But what's interesting is that their diet can vary widely depending on the season and what's available in their habitat. During the spring, as they emerge from hibernation, grizzlies feast on a variety of plants. They're particularly fond of sweet, succulent shoots and grasses, and they can spend hours grazing much like a cow. They also have a sweet tooth for bulbs, roots, and tubers, digging up the earth to find these hidden treasures. As we move into summer, the menu begins to diversify. Berries become a major part of their diet, as do other fruits. They'll gorge on raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and even apples if they can find them. But it's not all about the veggies and fruits. Grizzlies are also skilled hunters. They're known to take down large mammals such as elk, moose, and even bison. However, these instances are rare and require a lot of energy. More often than not, they prefer easier, smaller prey like rodents, insects, and fish. Now, speaking of fish, let's talk about the grizzly's favorite delicacy, salmon. Come late summer and early fall, grizzlies congregate at rivers for the annual salmon run. It's a spectacle to behold, watching these powerful creatures expertly catch leaping salmon right out of the air. This high-protein feast is crucial for them to build up enough fat reserves to survive the long winter hibernation. And let's not forget the occasional scavenged meal. Grizzlies are opportunistic feeders and won't turn their noses up at a carcass. They have an excellent sense of smell, even better than a hound dog's, which helps them locate these meals from miles away. So, from roots and berries to elk and salmon, the grizzly bear's diet is as diverse as the landscapes they inhabit. This not only showcases their adaptability, but also their crucial role in maintaining the balance in their ecosystem. From berries to salmon, grizzlies certainly have a diverse palate. Grizzly bears lead a solitary life. but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's dive into the lifestyle of these majestic creatures. They spend most of their waking hours alone, wandering vast territories that can span up to 1,000 square miles. This solitary lifestyle is not a result of their disliking for company, rather it's a necessity driven by their need for substantial amounts of food. Now let's talk about love in the life of a grizzly. Mating season, which typically falls between May and July, is the one time grizzlies actively seek out companionship. The males, or boars, follow the scent trails of females, or sows, and court them with a carefully choreographed dance of sorts. It is a delicate dance filled with caution and respect, as grizzly sows are known to be fiercely protective and independent. When the romance fades and the mating season ends, the boars return to their solitary lifestyle. But for the sows, a new chapter begins. In the safe confines of her den, a sow will give birth during her winter hibernation. These newborn cubs, usually 1 to 3 in number, are incredibly small, weighing less than a pound at birth. The mother's nurturing instinct kicks in immediately. She'll nurse and protect her cubs in the den until spring arrives. Once they leave the den, the cubs remain with their mother for up to 2.5 years, learning the ropes of grizzly life. From foraging for food and fishing for salmon, to defending themselves and finding shelter, the sow teaches her cubs everything they need to know to survive in the wild. Just like us, grizzlies have a cycle of life. They mate, raise their young, and then return to solitude. Their lives are a delicate balance of solitude and companionship, of independence and dependence. Despite their solitary nature, grizzlies have a complex social structure and parenting habits. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these awe-inspiring creatures. The encounter between a grizzly and a human can be a thrilling yet dangerous event. Grizzly bears, also known as North American brown bears, are majestic creatures, but they are also wild animals with a strong sense of territory and a need for personal space. Over the years, the relationship between grizzlies and humans has been complicated. Some view these creatures with awe and respect, while others see them as threats. But one thing is clear: our actions have a profound impact on their lives. Human-grizzly encounters can be dangerous. However, they're often a result of human error. Feeding bears, intentional or not, invites them to associate humans with food, which can lead to conflict. To avoid such encounters, it's crucial to store food and garbage properly when in bear country. Carry bear spray and know how to use it. And if you do encounter a bear, remember to give it plenty of space. But there's a bigger picture to consider. Climate change and habitat loss pose serious threats to grizzly bears. As the earth warms up, the habitats of these bears are shrinking. Forests are being cut down, rivers are drying up, and the supply of their food sources, like salmon and berries, is dwindling. These changes force grizzlies to wander into human territories in search of food, increasing the likelihood of human-bear encounters. It's a cycle that's harmful to both parties involved. So what can we do? We can start by acknowledging our role in this issue. We can take steps to reduce our carbon footprint, support policies that protect grizzly habitats, and educate ourselves and others about these incredible creatures and how to coexist with them safely. Remember, if you encounter a grizzly, respect its space and protect its habitat. They're not just visitors in our world, we share this planet with them, and it's our responsibility to ensure that they have a place to call home too. Grizzly bears are an integral part of our ecosystem, and we need to protect them. Grizzlies play a crucial role in maintaining a balanced environment. They help control populations of other animals like elk and salmon, and contribute to the health of forests by dispersing seeds. But they're not just ecological superheroes. They're cultural icons too, revered in many indigenous traditions and folklore. Unfortunately, grizzlies face threats from habitat loss, climate change, and human conflict. That's why conservation efforts are so important. Organizations work tirelessly to protect grizzly habitats, advocate for policies that safeguard these bears, and educate the public about how to coexist peacefully with these giants. But these organizations can't do it alone. They need our help. By supporting these groups, spreading awareness, and practicing responsible outdoor behavior, we can contribute to the protection of grizzlies. By understanding and respecting these magnificent creatures, we can ensure their survival for generations to come. Grizzly bears are truly fascinating, aren't they? We've delved into their habitats, their diets, their lifestyles, and their complex relationship with us humans. We've also explored how we can help protect these magnificent creatures. Their story is a testament to the wondrous complexity of nature. To discover more about the amazing creatures that share our planet, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can learn and make a difference.